whispering secrets of the day. Calm waters softly sway in the hidden light of distant bay. Sunset slow in fiery hues, painting skies with golden blues. Softly dreams begin to fuse in the quiet night we choose. Hearts align and spirits soar, overflowing love like never before. In the calm we find the shore, in our souls forevermore. Stars appear like dreamers show, guiding paths left yet to know. Moonlight bathes the world below in its gentle silver glow. River flows with tranquil might, singing softly through the night, carving stories